Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 5 Collins English Grammar and Composition, chapter number 19, Prepositions. So here look at the picture carefully, then rewrite the sentences after correcting the words in bold. So here the first one, the boy is sitting in the bed. So here the preposition is wrongly used in. Okay, so you have to use on. Okay, the boy is sitting on the bed. So here look at this picture. Okay. Then next, the pillow is in the bed. So here again in is also wrongly used. The pillow is on the bed. You have to write on. Then next, the lamp is behind the window. This is wrong. The lamp is in front of the window. You have to cross behind and use in front of the window. Then next, the dog is under the rug. So here on the, okay, this is wrong. The dog is on the rug. Then next, the table is in the floor. Okay, the table here. Okay, the table is on the floor. Okay, you have to use on. Clear? The words that you used here, these all are prepositions. Okay, so prepositions tell us or inform us about the position of noun or pronoun in a sentence. So here, okay, so you have to remember the rules of the preposition of time, preposition of place, and also preposition of movement. So here at as preposition of time, we use in before the part of the day, in the morning, in the evening, okay, in the afternoon. This is the part of the day. And we also use at before some special days like at New Year's, at Christmas, okay. And also use at before time, at 11 a.m, at 2 p.m, okay. And also we use at before the part of the day like at night, at noon, okay. Not in noon, in night, this will be wrong, okay. At noon, at midnight, at night. So similarly we use on, okay, before days, okay, like on Monday, on Tuesday. Before the days of the week we use on, okay. Similarly we use on before the the dates with month, on 15th August, okay, on 15th August. But if there is only month is given, you have to use in, okay. Then as a preposition of place, with cities, countries, neighborhoods. Before big city, towns, country, we use in, okay. In India, in Delhi, in Mumbai, in, okay. Before big city and also countries, capital, we use in. But small village like we can use here at, okay. And in before the name of big countries and also states and also capital. Clear? So here look at this, underline the prepositions in the sentences and state their types. So here first one, the little Tony sat in a corner. So here in is used, okay, before a place. So this will be called as a preposition of place. The next, my mother went to open the door after the bell rang. That means here it refers to time after the bell rang. Okay, this is after is used to indicate the preposition of time. The next year the tourist reached Pushkar in the morning. As here in the morning, this is the part of the day. So this will be called as time. Okay, preposition of time. The next, my grandfather sat by the fire and told me a tale. By the fire means it refers to a place. You can come and sit by me. So by means near. Okay. So here by refer to preposition of place. Okay. The next year the children sat under a tree while waiting for the rain to stop. Okay. Here under a tree, that means it refers to a preposition of place. Okay. Under a tree. So here the noun is used, a tree. For the rain. So here noun is the rain. Okay. For is used time. Okay. Preposition of time. The next year he worked and sang from morning to evening. So here from to. This is also indicates the duration of time. Okay, preposition of time here, from to. The next year they all ran after the bus as they were getting late for school. After the bus, that means it indicates a movement. Okay, after can be used to indicate the time, but here after is used as a preposition of movement from one place to another. So here he moves. Okay, so they all ran after the bus as they are getting late for school. Here for is used as preposition of place. Okay, the next year Raghu is sleeping in his room. So as you know, here room is given already place. Okay, this is preposition of place. In is used as a preposition of place. The next, I walked from my house to the bus stop. As you look at the previous example 6, so here from to is used as the preposition of time. That, so this is the duration of time. We use from to indicate the duration of an action. Okay, so similarly here from to is used as like this is a movement, not a time. I walked from my house to the bus stop. So this is one type of, you say, movement from to. The next year the bird flew towards the jamun tree. Okay, so here towards is also preposition of movement. He walks towards the principal office. So here towards is used as the preposition of movement. So here one moves from one place to another. Okay, this is one type of, we can say, this is preposition of movement. So towards, okay, preposition of movement. The next year fill in the blanks with the appropriate prepositions. I first met my best friend. Here before before big cities capital we use in. So here in will be used. My first met my best friend in Delhi. As you know, we also use at before specific address. He lives at SBI Link Road. Okay, we can say for a specific address we use at, not in. I first met my best friend in Delhi at my cousin's house. The next, I was born. Okay, so as you know, when date with month is mentioned in a sentence, so you have to use on, not in. If there is only month is given, then you can write preposition of time in. But here date with month is given, so you have to use your on. I was born on 25th December. Here Lucknow. Okay, you have to use in. The next year I reach my school dash 8 o'clock every day. As here the time is already given, so you have to use your at. Okay, preposition of time. The next, I have changed many cities and now I live. So as before big countries, cities, capital. Okay, similarly here in Jaipur. Okay, dash street. Here dash Karlekar Street. Okay, so here at, not in. Before the name of street we use at. The train will leave the station. Okay, here the time is given, so at will be used at 7:52 a.m. The next, we usually have a winter break. Okay, in the month of December. Okay, in. The next, Rama came to Kanpur before year. Before year you have to use preposition in. India became independent in 1947. The before year we use in. The next year I woke up early. This is part of the day. The part of the day we use in the morning. I woke up early in the morning. Okay, as I wanted to go jogging. The next year the man got dash the bus from Bandra. This is movement, preposition of movement. The man got into the bus. Okay. The next year the Indian cricketers played well. Okay, this is against. Okay, the Indian cricketers played well against the Australian team. The next year Manu put his hand inside his pocket. Clear? The next year I was in a meeting. So this is the duration of time. So we will use here from to. I was in a meeting from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Okay. The next year underline the correct prepositions. I met him dash Mumbai. So before big city capital we use in. So here in will be appropriate. The next year I joined the school. Here year is given. Okay, before year we use in 2015. Okay, in 2021. So here in will be appropriate. Okay, in, not on. Then next here he poured milk, okay, into the glass. So this is movement, okay, into. The next is Sudesh fought dash me, okay, with me over a small thing. The next year I am unhappy with your work, okay. So here with will be appropriate. The next year waking up early is good for health. So this is reason, okay. The next I am tired of waiting. The next year cotton grows well in black soil. The next Birbal was known for his witty replies to Akbar. Similarly, next year Rohan is late for okay work today. Look at him running after the bus. The next year I am going home. Reason, this is for Diwali. I am going home for Diwali. The next year on this day, okay, on this day Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was born. The next year fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. To hear the rude boy, you have to use the preposition from the box. The rude boy made fun of. Okay, so this is fixed preposition. Fun of. Okay. The next he is known for, he is famous for. Okay, his honesty. The next they can't understand the difference. Here the comparison is made 1 with 2. So between will be used. If a comparison is made 1 with more than 2, so in that case we have to use among. So here they cannot understand the difference between right and wrong. The next the guards were provided with. Okay, provided with. The next year the furniture in my home is made of teak. Okay, made of. Furniture in my home. So here of will be used. If there is any physical change, then you have to use preposition. Okay, here of will be appropriate. If there is any chemical changes, then you have to use from. Okay, like cheese is made from milk. Cheese is made from milk. So here this is chemical changes. So from will be appropriate. The furniture is made okay of wood. This is physical change. So here of will be appropriate. In physical change we have to use of. In chemical change you have to use from. The next year I will take a rickshaw to your house. Okay, location here. The pony trotted behind his master. Okay. The next he is different from his brother. Clear? The next year fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. A farmer was driving his cart along a country road. It had rained heavily and the horses struggled to pull the cart through the deep mud. Soon one of the wheels sank into a ditch. The farmer climbed down from his seat, but he didn't do anything to get it out of the ditch. He cursed his bad luck and asked God to help him. After some time, God appeared and said, "Push the wheel yourself and make your horses pull it too." Do you think the cart will move if you complain about it? The farmer did as God asked and the wagon moved easily. He thanked God with all his heart and rode away happily. Okay, so I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.